Today, let's climb that beautiful mountain. A vast forest spreads. Here is Mount Bandai in Fukushima. There are only a few foreign travelers. If you love nature and hate crowded spots, this is a place for you. Look, that is the top. I arrived. The clouds are going away. Wow, what a great view! This is the backside. All angles are so great. This mountain is surrounded by several lakes. Japan's most stunning views are found on mountain tops. I could find Japan's hidden beauty. Please come to Fukushima. See you at the next place.